Hey guys, so we made it into this awesome, amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom pool home in East Orlando. I think right now I'm standing into the area which would probably be considered their formal living room area. And over here would be considered the dining room, and then you have some French doors that leads out to the screened pool area over there. So over here is the kitchen, and it's pretty nice, pretty basic, I think. I mean, it's clean, which is wonderful. That's always a plus. So we have a clean, beautiful kitchen. We have some basic cabinets, basic countertops, and you know, they tried to make it fancy by putting some glass backsplash thing going on here. So not bad. It's a nice house, nice tiles. It's pretty clean, and this probably goes to the garage, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yep, I was right. It goes to the garage. All right. So it got some double pantries here, which is pretty nice. Now, you would probably say to yourself, well, this is a really, really nice house, right? Really clean, really pretty, and a really nice house in a nice neighborhood. I mean, it could use some upgrades, right? It's pretty basic, but it's definitely move-in ready, I would agree. And it's been sitting on the market for almost 60 days now. So this is a property that's been on the market 2 months and counting, right? So what does that really mean as a real estate investor when you see properties like this? Well, what this really means is that the market is dramatically changing, right? The market is dramatically changing. So we're moving into a market cycle where there's a whole bunch of houses, really, really nice houses on the market, right? The really, really nice houses on the market. Look, it looks like, I don't think the carpet's new, but it's definitely been shampooed. So this is a really nice space too. This is another bedroom here. So 1, 2, we got a hallway, bathroom here. Hold on one second, let's see. Oh, there we go. Let there be light. And then we also have this, what looks like to be the master bedroom here. And then we got a walk-in closet right here, and then a master bathroom. Okay, there we go. All right, double sinks here, that kind of cool stuff, and some shower combo thing going on over here, which is fine. This is pretty normal for Florida. A lot of the builders, this was their basic package, right? If you wanted something more like an upgrade, you would have had to put in like your, request them to put in like a tub and stuff like that. So this is all the basic builder stuff, right? So this house was, it's probably about, I don't know, 20 years old, built in the 80s, I would suppose. So it's not that old, but it still has its original stuff in it, right? They've changed out a few things, but not many. But what I was saying to you earlier is that the market is changing. So you have nice houses on the market for a really, really long period of time. And then the second change in the market right now is that new homes, right? Homes that are built right now this year are also not selling. The percentage of new home sales is decreasing as well. So what does that mean for investors? When you have a flood of inventory that's not moving and not selling, and then you also have new homes that are not selling as well, and then couple that with rising interest rates where potential buyers are being squeezed out of the market because they can't afford more, they can only afford less with the higher interest rates, it creates a problem. It creates a bottleneck. It creates a buyer's market, right? And what happens to property owners? Well, they actually have to bring their prices down. They have to bring their prices down because they can't afford to sell for maximum price. They think they can. They want to. I want them to. Everybody wants to be profitable. But at the end of the day, beautiful properties like this, if no one's living in it, it just sits and just sits, right? You have holding costs. The seller is paying mortgage. I'm pretty sure there's a lien on this property. It's pretty young, so I'm pretty sure they didn't pay it off in full, at least not yet. So there's all kinds of different creative strategies that you can use. that we will be teaching you on February 22nd and the 24th here in Orlando. And we're going to teach you how to maximize opportunities with pretty houses, not just ugly houses or houses that need extensive repairs, but houses that look just like this and don't need any repairs. These owners are extremely motivated. As a matter of fact, they're not even living in this property, so obviously they're living someplace else. And if they're living someplace else, what does that mean? That means that they have double expenses, double or triple expenses, right? They are maintaining a lifestyle someplace else, plus maintaining this property in hopes that it might sell. Are they motivated? Probably. They're probably really, really motivated. So what we'll do is we'll teach you how to make the types of offers on pretty houses, as well as make the types of offers on houses that need to be repaired and fixed up, so that you can maximize both strategies no matter what the market is doing. All right, so this is the Jackie Jackson. To register for the 3-day boot camp and bus tour, all you have to do is go to cashflowyourlife.com/3 days. It's 3 whole days of awesome, amazing real estate investor education that you can't get anywhere else, especially for the value that we are giving it. It's only $397 for all 3 days, and it includes your workbook, it includes all of the material, the marketing campaign, all of the information, the strategies, everything that you will need in order for you to be successful. In addition, we're also taking you out on the bus as well, and taking you out to different properties and showing you how you can be successful by piecing all of the steps together. So that's cashflowyourlife.com/3 days. Hope to see you there too. All right, bye-bye.